Tired of missing the next moonshot? Today, we're diving deep into Bloom to unearth hidden Memecoin gems first. Head over to the trending Memecoins section. This gives you a real-time snapshot of what's hot right now, showing you which coins are experiencing the most buzz. Now, click on a Memecoin that catches your eye to get a detailed analysis. The first thing we want to look at is social sentiment. Bloom analyzes social media to gauge the overall feeling toward the coin. A high positive score suggests strong community support. Next, examine the price chart. Pay close attention to early price spikes and trading volume increases. Bloom highlights these potentially lucrative moments. Look for patterns that suggest growing interest before a major breakout. Now, let's tap into influencer tracking. Bloom identifies key influencers who are talking about the Memecoin. A positive signal from a credible influencer can be a strong indicator. Finally, and crucially, don't forget to check Bloom's risk assessment score. This gives you an overview of the potential risks involved based on liquidity, volatility, and other factors. Remember, Memecoins can be highly volatile. Investing in Memecoins carries inherent risks. Always do your own research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and use Bloom as a powerful tool to increase your odds of success, not a guaranteed path to riches. So, use Bloom, do your due diligence, and happy hunting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto insights.